Best hikes in Colorado Springs and top hiking trails in Colorado Springs 2023. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a local realtor in Colorado Springs with Coldwell Banker Realty. And stay until the end for my favorite hike. Number 1, Garden of the Gods. Garden of the Gods Park is a registered national natural landmark with breathtaking views you can see almost in every direction. The towering red rock formations almost come alive when you're there in person. They are that mesmerizing. I have been there multiple times, and there are lots of amazing formations. And it's on the west side of the city. Number 2, Red Rock Canyon Open Space. There are 22 hiking trails to choose from in Red Rock. It is on the west side of the city. It's adjacent to Manitou Springs and south of I-24. It has a 13-mile scenic drive. They have rock climbing, horseback riding, mountain biking, road biking, and even picnic areas. They also have a nature observing and visitor center. Number 3, the Broadmoor 7 Falls. The Broadmoor 7 Falls is a series of 7 cascading waterfalls. It's in South Cheyenne Canyon. 7 Falls is one of Colorado's most amazing natural wonders. The only waterfall in the state on National Geographic's list of international waterfalls. And it is often called the grandest mile of scenery in Colorado. It's on the southwest side. Ute Valley Park. It has hiking and biking trails. It's dog friendly and you have to be careful of snakes. It has amazing scenic views. It's on the west side of the city. It's a very nice hike and we've been there a few times. North Cheyenne Canyon Park. It's a regional park located in Colorado Springs. It is a National Register of Historic Places. It's a parkland cut out of ancient granite rock. It's cut 1,000 feet deep into 1.5 billion year old granite rock. It's on the west side of the city. It has waterfalls and wildlife sightings. Blodgett Open Space. Blodgett Open Space is an access point to the Pike National Forest. It's via the Hummingbird Trail from the North Parking Lot trailhead. The open space has outstanding views of Colorado Springs to the east and Blodgett Peak to the northwest. The property is bordered on 3 sides by the Pike National Forest, which provides an excellent natural buffer and habitat continuity for wildlife, and it's west of the city. Austin Bluffs Open Space Trail. It's in the woodland area covering 584 acres featuring distinctive rock formations dating to the Eocene period. I'm probably saying that wrong. It has a rich geological history along with amazing views and beautiful landscape. And it's usually not very crowded and has breathtaking views. And it's on the east side of the city. In Palmer Park, it has 737 acres of wildlife, offering hiking, biking, and sports fields on a mesa overlooking and providing amazing city views. It takes about 3 hours. This loop trail is 7.4 miles long and is a well-maintained path. It's on the east side of the city. And last but not least, my favorite hike. It's a short hike where you can take kids and pets. Pulpit Rock Summit Trailhead. When you get to the top, you can see amazing views of the city. And I don't want to ruin it for you, but here's a picture. Of course, the picture does not do justice. You've got to see it in person, but it's a beautiful hike and it has beautiful views. This is a great short hike near downtown Colorado Springs. Features a bit of uphill hiking on a quick look up to Pulpit Rock and then back down. It's great for families and dogs and for people looking for a quick jog. There are many trails in this area if you want to make your hike even longer or more challenging. This hiking trail is north from downtown. So if you're moving to Colorado Springs, relocating to Colorado Springs, or living in Colorado Springs and you have questions about hikes or real estate, be sure to reach out and let's schedule a time to talk. And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe.